BSF だ手を挙げろこのハッケ野郎何させるかまだ推しに一度もスパチャ読み上げられたことないのに
Hello. Hi everyone. Hi. I missed you. Hello. Hi. Hi everyone. I'm Sonny. Hi. Hi. Thank you so much for coming to my stream. I missed you.
Slam.
Wake up コーヒー飲みますコーヒー飲み終わりました美味しかったです Hello everyone How are you? Fine thank you I wish I were a bird What is that? What is that? Eh? It's a little hamster Hello Who are you? Why are you so squished? Wait I'm holding a hammy That's so cute What the hell?
Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning. Hi everyone. I woke up 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, my refresh rate is 165.
Oh my god.
I can't tell the difference at all.
Actually, the human eye and brain can only process up to 24 images at once, so there's not really any reason to have a monitor that goes faster than 60 hertz.
Who the fuck is talking right now? I have never heard this voice ever in the past.
It's just Sonny and his many voices. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Sonny, you're getting your negi like taken away because
What?
you're nerding.
Are you confiscating my negi? No, give it back.
Nerding is
How is that
criminal.
the same person?
Depends on